Hi, this is Emma. On the Emma show. This is the first, number one. If this gets posted on the YouTube, it probably will. If it does, I will make another one. But if it doesn't, I won't. But I love everybody whoever's my subscribers. If I have 10 in one day, I will stream. Please, watch this. If I get like 3 likes, I will make a second one, a third one, a fourth one, a fifth one. Okay? If I get 1 like, I'll make number 2. You want 3 likes? Okay? But anyways, these are my new